Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD or British Pound USD for Monday, 8 March 2021. So this analysis is for 8 March only. For 9th March, I'll be coming down again on 9th. Okay. Uh, Today is Sunday. I got some free time, so oh, so I made this video on this Sunday. So we can see that the last traded price was 1.3830. Okay. So this is the last traded price, and you can see that I have drawn three lines here. Okay. So these three are the important levels for GBP USD that we need to watch. Okay. First thing, on Monday, if market opens somewhere around here, okay, or here, in between this range, okay, we just need to look, or we just need to wait for the market to come down to this level. Okay. In case market comes to this 1.3778 level, and if market reverses from here, okay, then that's a good sign. Okay, then that's a good sign. And in case market crosses this level with good amount of volume, okay, then you can look for shorting opportunities. Okay, but remember one thing: we cannot ignore this fall. We cannot ignore the fact that market was in uptrend, and after that the trend of the market has changed. Okay, so there might be sellers still present in the market who are willing to sell the market at every high. Okay, if market reverses from here, then we cannot be too sure whether it's a reversal or it's just a consolidation for further fall. In that case, okay, in that case, if market show you some good reversal sign from here, suppose you get a good um, hammer, okay, or long wick, okay, and after the market makes a good green candle, then you can go ahead and buy for 30-40 pips. Okay. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level with good amount of volume, then you can short the market here. You can short the market here if you spot some good volume. On the other hand, if market starts going upward, and just observe how the price reacts after reaching the 1.4017 level. Okay, if market reverses from here, okay, if market reverses from here, if market show you candles like this or price rejection like this, you can short the market here. Similarly, if you spot some good bearish engulfing candle, okay, then also you can short the market. On the other hand, if you see that market has crossed this level, okay, this important level, market has crossed this important level, then wait for the market to trade above this level for at least 1 hour. Let the price stay comfortable. Let the market trade comfortably above the resistance. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go ahead and buy, and your target will be this level, 1.4200. Okay, so you can buy above this level only if market gives a breakout and market trades at least for 1 hour, okay, above this resistance. If market show you some price rejection from above, you can short the market. In case market comes down to this level, 1.3787 level, okay, and market crosses the level with good volume, you can short the market because sellers are in good pressure. Okay, in case market reverses from here, okay, then also be very cautious because the trend is not that strong for buyers. Okay, still you can take some risk and go for a 25-30 pips target, but that will be risky. Okay, and if market comes down and hits this level, this can also act as a crucial level for market, which will provide some support. Okay, in case you short the market here, your target will be this level 1.3570. Okay, so this can be the strategy for British Pound USD for Monday. Okay, so these are the levels that you need to look for, or you need to watch on Monday for GBP USD. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and please give a thumbs up. Okay, and please do subscribe for regular market analysis. If you want to watch the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can watch my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.